A massive security breach at one of Apple's primary manufacturing partners has leaked thousands of internal documents, schematics, and drop test videos online. While a nightmare for Apple, it gives us a 100% confirmed, crystal clear picture of the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro series. From a radical redesign and a variable aperture lens to a massive battery boost and staggering price hikes. Here is everything officially confirmed for the iPhone 18 Pro. Let's start with the design. Leaked internal drop tests confirm that Apple is completely ditching the two-tone industrial look of the iPhone 17 Pro. On the new iPhone 18 Pro Max, the back glass and metal chassis now seamlessly blend together for a much more uniform aesthetic. You'll also notice that the Apple logo switches from a matte finish to a striking mirror finish. We've also got confirmation on colorways. Silver is front and center in the testing videos, and a gorgeous new dark cherry option has been verified down to physical SIM tray. Yes, physical SIM trays are sticking around, at least in select markets. That thicker camera bump isn't just for show. Newly discovered calibration strings confirm that Apple is upgrading the underlying primary camera sensor. More importantly, variable aperture technology is officially locked in. For the first time, all iPhone 18 Pro models will support a mechanical or electronic variable aperture, allowing the lens to dynamically adjust the amount of light hitting the sensor, depending on your environment. As for the telephoto and ultra-wide lenses, leaked files show no major structural changes, meaning those specifications will likely mirror last year's lineup. On the front of the device, the iconic dynamic island is finally getting smaller. Instead of keeping all components clustered tightly in the center like they've done since 2022, Apple has reconfigured the layout. The infrared sensor for Face ID has been moved completely to the left and placed fully beneath the display. This layout shift shrinks the physical footprint of the dynamic island by roughly 35%, giving the display a much cleaner, modern look. Battery life is where things get wild, though mostly for the larger model. If you buy the base iPhone 18 Pro, capacity ticks up marginally from 4,252 to 4,288 mAh. But the iPhone 18 Pro Max jumps from 5,088 all the way to 5,567 mAh, nearly a 10% year-over-year increase. This could easily push continuous video playback past 43 hours. The catch? To fit that massive battery, the Pro Max is about 0.25 millimeters thicker and weighs 7 grams more. To keep things cool, Apple is also introducing a massively expanded vapor chamber that spans almost the entire internal chassis, promising the best thermal performance in iPhone history. Under the hood, the iPhone 18 Pro will feature the A20 Pro processor built on an advanced 2-nanometer architecture designed specifically for on-device AI. Apple has moved the RAM directly beside the chip instead of stacking it on top, paired with lightning-fast LPDDR6 memory to drastically improve AI bandwidth. As for connectivity, Apple's transition to in-house modems hits a slight snag. Because the second-generation C2 modem's millimeter-wave 5G support wasn't ready in time, Apple is forced into a split release. US models will utilize a newer Qualcomm modem, while international models get the new C2 chip. Now for the hardest pill to swallow, the price. Leaked component cost breakdowns indicate a massive spike in manufacturing expenses. Industry analysts are now predicting a $300 price increase, pushing the entry-level cost of the iPhone 18 Pro up from $1,099 to $1,399. To make matters worse, Apple isn't releasing a standard budget-friendly base iPhone 18 this September, just the Pro models and an anticipated iPhone Fold. If you want a cheaper device at launch, you'll be forced to look at the year-old iPhone 17. These leaked documents give us the most comprehensive look at an upcoming iPhone generation we've ever seen. It brings incredible performance, massive battery upgrades, and a gorgeous redesign, but it's going to cost you dearly. What do you think about these massive changes and the rumored price hike? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.